Hey everybody, it's Guy. I just want to make this quick video to tell you about an exciting new workshop I'm going to be doing in Elkhorn. That's right, I'm working with City Square Wellness Center. It's right in downtown Elkhorn on Wisconsin Street, a few doors north of Moy's. If you know where Moy's is in Elkhorn, I'm sure many of you folks have been there and enjoyed the food at Moy's. But anyway, if you're dealing with arthritis, fibromyalgia, back pain, joint replacement, Tai Chi is a fantastic exercise for you to do. And during this workshop that I'm going to be having, it's just going to be $5. $5, so you have a little skin in the game because I really have limited space. It's a beautiful space, but small and intimate, so I don't want to have the class overrun by having a free one. So for just $5, Izzy doing a drive-by, photo bomb. If you want to join the class, sign up over at Eventbrite. It'll be a great time. We're going to be doing Tai Chi for energy. This is a fantastic form for you to learn. Whether you're an athlete recovering from injury, you're dealing with some chronic conditions, Tai Chi's really the exercise for you. Come check it out. $5. What do you have to lose? I mean, $5 an hour of your time. It'll be great for you. So get your tickets on Eventbrite. I look forward to seeing you then. Take care. Bye-bye.